God. The angel of Daisy Hill is here. It's that little gorilla, guys, that kept making noises yesterday. And look, there's Lily over there. Morning, Rainy. Morning, Bowie. Bowie is raining. Oh, who's coming there? Oh, there's Petunia and Pancho. There's Petunia and Pancho. There's the diva. There she is, guys. Hi, Petunia. Hi, Mama. Hi, Petunia. Hi, Panchito. This is Petunia, the diva of Daisy Hill, guys. In the flesh. Right there with all her plumage. She's over there surveilling Daisy Hill. That's one of her surveillance towers. That's the Watchtower. That palm tree. From there she's looking at what all the cockatoos are doing. What they normally do at this time is they play a little game where they jump from treetop to treetop. I told you that already. Now have a look at Mommy Corella and Daddy Corella. They're over there. Mommy Corella, Daddy Corella is over there. That's Petunia, guys. Can you hear her? Still surveilling from over there. The Watchtower. Rainy. Morning, Rainy. Hello?